Hi guys! Today we're going to be learning how to do an alternate double crochet stitch. So let's jump on into it. To start off your alternate double crochet stitch, you're going to chain as many as you'd like plus 2. So I'm going to chain 24 plus 2, so I'm going to chain 26. So I finished my 24 plus 2 chains, and to start this, you're going to skip your first 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and you're going to be working into the 4th chain. And you're going to start it out like a normal double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into that 4th chain, yarn over, bring that loop through, and you have 3 loops on your hook. So now what you're going to do is yarn over and pull through only one of those. And now again you're going to have 3 loops on your hook. And now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. And there you have your first alternative double crochet. So you're going to keep repeating that. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And you're just going to continue that all the way down. Pull through 1, pull through the last 3. Okay, so there I have my first row of alternate double crochets, and you can already start to see that it has a slightly different texture than normal double crochet, so it's a good stitch if you want to mix up your textures a little bit. So we're going to start on the second row, and you're going to chain 3, 2, 3, and turn your work over, and that chain 3 is going to count as your first double crochet. So now you're going to continue the same thing you did in the last row on this row. So yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through that first loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook again. Yarn over, pull through the last 3. And again, just continue that all the way down. Okay, now I have finished my second row of the alternative double crochet, and I'm going to finish this little swatch and we'll see what it's like when it's done. Okay, so here I have my little swatch of this alternative double crochet. As you can see, it's pretty similar, but it does have some textural differences and there are kind of little ridges. But yeah, I really like this stitch and I hope you enjoyed learning it, and we look forward to teaching you more stitches. So happy stitching!